Hey, how are you? Hope you are well. Today we will discuss top 3 valuable tools that we use which are very important items in human life. Let's take a look at our 3 products and discuss these 3 products. Rosy Earth Water Hose Lightweight Metal Shell can be dragged on any material floor to work where you need it. Easy to transport and store. Garden hoses with stainless steel housings are less prone to kinking. There's no need to worry about water flow due to kinks. This garden hose 304 stainless so you feel very comfortable during use. This garden hose steel shell 16 size -3/8 inner diameter 5/9 maintains good water pressure and durable hose. Each hose has connectors on both sides for easy connection to other equipment. Maybe the current hoses still work just fine, but the time has come to replace your garden with a new stainless steel protected hose. Not only can various joints be connected, but also two hoses can be connected together to extend the hose. Also, they provide 12-month replacement warranty and 30-day money-back guarantee for water pipes. To ensure the good quality of our garden hose, provide manual customer support within 24 hours. As a lightweight garden hose, it cannot be ignored that it can also enjoy the lightness in the process of moving. The stainless steel hose can be dragged easily on asphalt or concrete pavement, giving you a smooth feel. Garden hose metal with leak-proof connectors. Stainless steel has good corrosion resistance and is more sturdy. It has good high-temperature strength and good wear resistance. Good material performance allows our water hose to have a water pressure of 550 psi, which can be efficiently used in most extreme weather conditions such as high temperature and freezing. Because of its sturdy material structure, the water hose can prevent punctures and pet bites. The weight of this product is only 10.58 pounds, which is lighter than traditional material hoses. The garden hose has aluminum-coated copper metal connectors on both ends, which have good compression resistance, not easy to be damaged. The connectors have leak-proof rubber gaskets, ensuring that the hose will not leak. The connector design allows for two hoses to be connected together. They can be assembled to obtain a longer length. This product is of standard size and complies with the Universal 3/4 as standard. This Bionic Steel stainless steel garden hose has been built to withstand extreme conditions from sub-zero temperatures. The hose can be frozen in a block of ice to being left in the sun for days and everything in between, ensuring many years of reliable. Because Bionic Steel body of the hose is encased in a sturdy stainless steel outer layer allows for a consistent, steady and high-pressure water output, yet is memoryless, and its solid brass crush-resistant fittings and stabilizer collar are engineered to withstand extreme force, while the on or off valve makes the output easy to control. Bionic Steel Pro hose does not expand or retract, guaranteeing a steady and uninterrupted flow of water, and the Bionic Steel Pro hose is backed by a limited 5-year warranty.